We are here at Take Back Your Life. This is a workout facility, and they actually have this exact whiteboard. They use this thing multiple times a day, on, off, with their dry erase markers. What I personally like about it is, well, they're thoughtful enough to actually put some little plastic caps on all of the little pointy edges. So if you're a professor or a teacher and you're walking back and forth this whiteboard all the time, you don't want to snag your puffy coat on this whiteboard. And so they cap the edges where it's sharp so it doesn't actually snag you. It's fairly easy to mount. You will see that at each of the four corners, they have the place where you can actually put the screw in, and then they provide these caps that you can easily just snap in. It keeps it secure to the wall, so you're not trying to use any kind of double-sided tape that is eventually gonna work itself loose and it would come crashing down. There's nothing like that. So it does come with all the hardware. Also, keep in mind it is magnetic, so if in fact you want some hooks on there to temporarily hold a rag that you use to wash off all the dry erase marker, or just to put a little flyer on there, you can do that too, because that's what they do here at Take Back Your Life here in Enumclaw, Washington. So if it works for this facility, it might even work for you. My name is Beau. Hope this helps.